Hello my bunnies, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to turn a boring cup of tea into a tea latte in just 2 steps. Super easy, so yummy, and now you don't have to pay like $5 for one at Starbucks. So let's get started. So you can use black tea, green tea, chai tea, any kind of tea that you like. Although if you want to use matcha, let me know in the comments down below because that is a slightly different technique. But either way, what we're gonna do first is pop our tea into a tea strainer. And you want the strainer that you use to sit as close to the bottom of your mug as possible. So Mr. Llama, as much as I love you today, it's not gonna work out for you. And you wanna use as much tea as you would for a normal full glass of tea. Then just pop that into the mug and then fill your mug about 1/3 of the way full with hot water. Now we're gonna let that steep for at least 3 minutes or as long as you like, really. And then while it's steeping, we're going to go over to either your espresso machine if you have one, and I'm going to froth my milk. So if you don't have an espresso machine, you can use like a milk frother or just microwave it or heat it up over the stove. But either way, we want our milk to be warm and, in my preference at least, frothy. Frothy milk is like my favorite thing in the world. And then once the tea is finished steeping, just remove the tea bag or your tea strainer, and we're going to pour the milk on top. And I feel like this video is especially dedicated to those of you who have one of those tea event calendars and it's like 10 days in and you're sick of it already. I feel you, I have been there so many times. And if you want to be a little bit fancy, you can add a little garnish. And this actually also works to create a really great hot chocolate. So instead of the tea, just pour some melted chocolate directly into your mug. This is luxurious, but it's the holidays, so you are worth it. And then just get your hot milk and pour it on top, and look at that. It's so fancy, but I know that some of you guys aren't in a cold climate right now. So if you want to see the cold version, I actually have that already on my channel, which is my super quick iced tea recipe. So I will link that in the cards for you, and I will see you guys next Friday for a new video.